SA Golden Eagles and IDC Medics. Tokyo, no good. Tokyo against Tono. De Guzman. Mondia for 3. No good. Mondia. Blocked by Malan. Brasileño. PJ Brasileño. Back-to-back basket by Tono. 4-all. There's a foul. Hermohino to Mandia. De Guzman for 3. Basket by De Guzman. Adrian De Guzman. Still Hermohino. Back-to-back basket by San Agustin. 9-4. Servano na agaw. Mondia. No good. The small foul. First throw. Basket is good. 10-4. 1 out of 2 by Hermohino. Tono. Basket by Frank Tono. 10-6. Si Tono pa lang nakascore sa IDC with 6 points so far. Hermohino. Layup is good by Erjan Hermohino. 12-6. Servano. Wala. Follow up. Basket by Kim Ray. Servano. 12-8 ang score natin. De Guzman. Pass to Hermohino. Mardocchio. De Guzman.
Pass to Mondia. Mondia. 5 seconds to shoot.
Mondia. Short. Rebound by Malan against Brasileño. To Tono. Tono sa ilalim kay Malan. To Jaime, jumper, block. Malan. Basket and 1 for Elmer Malan Jr. And 12. Sakuragi isang Doctors. So good. Shot 10. De Guzman against Tono. To Hermohino. Lagyan ng oras. Hermohino pumasok. Block. Nakuha ni Perez. Magarce. To Tono. Tono against De Guzman. Smart move, pinasa kay Malan for 3, short. Reset, clock. Tono, wala. Tono pa rin. Jaime, ninabas kay Bagarse to Nahine. Bagarse, lucky bounce by JN Bagarse. It's a change favor to IDC, 13-12. Two pass to De Guzman, Brasileño. PJ for 3, short. Pani Jaime, getaway basket by Tono. Tono now has 8 points. 10 points by Tono, 15-2. Mardocchio. There's a foul by Jaime. Mardocchio, basket by Mardocchio. Second, no good. Rebound by Sionosa. Turnover. Nahine to Jaime. There's a foul by Sionosa. Garce against two pass to Jaime. Nahine fires too strong. Nakuha ni Garcia. Mondia to two pass for 3, no good. Nakuha ni Jaime. There's a foul. No good. One out of 2 by Jaime. 13-16. Two pass against Jaime. Jumper. No good. Nasa kay Patrick Sonyosa. There's a foul. First throw, basket. Last throw, 1 out of 2, 14-16. 2-point lead by IDC. Jaime, Nahine. Servano back to Nahine for 3, no good. Two pass for the rebound to Mondia. Sionosa to two pass. Floater, no good. Pani Servano. Floater, wala. Nakuha ni Nahine. Jaime. There's a foul. Second personal for Patrick Sionosa. No good. Last throw. 1 out of 2 by Jaime. 17-14. First throw by Mondia. Basket. Last throw. 2 out of 2 by Mondia. 16-17. 1-point lead by IDC. Jaime. Same ball. Ni Malan. Last throw, 2 out of 2 by Elmer Malan. 16-19. Technical for Mondia. No good. Solaybar against Jaime. De Guzman. Brasileño. Basket by Adrian De Guzman +1. Basket 19 all. The second deadlock of the ball game. Tono. Upper, no good. Turnover. Brasileño jumper, no good. Tono. There's a foul by Mondia. First throw by Deligues. Basket is good. 19-20. Last throw. 2 out of 2 by Denmark. Deligues. Obaton. 21-19. JM Solaybar of City proper. To De Guzman, Adrian of the Mangas. Pass to Mardocchio. John Hermoino, no good. Rebound by Deligues to Magarce. Tono for 3. Too strong. Nakuha ni De Guzman. For 3. Short. Hermoino. Mardocchio. There's a foul. 3 free throws for Mardocchio. First throw. Basket. Last throw, second throw, wala. Last throw. Two out of 3 by Ruben Mardocchio. 21 all. The fourth deadlock of the ball game. Malan. Rosarbano. Wala. Follow up. Block. Hermoino. Basket by Hermoino. Bonus shot. No good. Nakuha ni Brasileño. So, De Guzman. No good. Rebound outside. IDC basketball. 23-21. 2-point lead by San Agustin. Magarce against Solaybar. Steal by Brasileño. De Guzman. Easy jumper by Adrian De Guzman. 25-21. Apat ang kalamangan ng USA Golden Eagles. End of the first quarter. Score.